about 20 miles south of Page, Arizona. We are on our way to visit the Horseshoe Bend, and I thought I would just grab a little bit of this road because it's just really, really pretty. Really steep. It's hard to do when we're curving. I can't hold on to it. There we go. It's hard to get a lot of that out the window. There, that's a little bit better. It's really pretty. Nice scenic drive. That was really cool. Drive between the rock cliffs. Quite scenic. Oh, there it is. The famous Horseshoe Bend. If you look way down there, there's a boat. I don't know where's my finger. Right down there.
It's so windy right at the edge.
So we're pretty far up here.
Already rock your hand. Your back in your hand. I know. Oh my.
What?
That's it.
Here's a little different view.
Comes in and flows around back. Comes in and flows.
So this trail is, what did they say it was? 1.5 mile round trip, right?
Yep.
So 3/4 of a mile one way. And coming down, or going to the Horseshoe Bend, is pretty much all downhill, which means we got to go uphill. And you can kind of see how it winds around. But it is definitely worth a stop. $10 to RV park, and there is a fairly decent amount of RV parking. Huh?
They're dog friendly.
And they are, I guess, evidently dog friendly because I've seen several people with their dogs on the trails.
Can we make a pit stop?
Okay, so thanks for coming with us to see Horseshoe Bend. This was not a stop on my itinerary. So the reason we ended up coming here is because we checked the Four Corners Monument before we'd completely left Grand Canyon and found out that it was closed because of the illness scare that's going on, and that is actually on Navajo land, so they pretty much closed down all of their attraction type places. So we decided to reroute and come up to Page, Arizona and visit the Horseshoe Bend, and it was worth it. So I really enjoyed it. I've always seen pictures of it and wanted to see it, so I was happy to stop here. So it was all good. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And you're more than welcome to always share any of our videos, and feel free to leave us a comment below. And we hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.